So hello and welcome back to Engineering 101, Lecture 3-17, Digital Input 2, where we're now going to use text-based programming to read a push button. This is also Homework 3-2, your second homework assignment for week 3. So what you're going to see is that I took the graphical code from the previous lecture and I have now examined the text and I'm cleaning it up to look more like how you would write text-based code. The first thing is I made global variables for my red and blue LED on pins 12 and 13 and for my button on pin 7. And then in the setup function, which runs only once, I am defining my inputs and outputs. And notice I now have a button and an input pull up as opposed to input. This represents that 10 kilo ohm resistor that I put on the breadboard. I actually don't have to do that if I use input pull up. The other thing you're going to notice is that in the loop function, which runs continuously, I have an error. And so I have an if condition that says if my digital red button equals 0, which means it is pressed, I want my LEDs to turn on and off, but I had to make sure that the blue and red highs and lows were correct so that when I start the simulation and press the button, it actually works the way that I want it to. Try this for your homework and stay STEM-tastic.